One of my favorite machines and back exercises is the high row. The high row is a diagonal movement, so it's in between the vertical pulling down motions and the horizontal pulling movements. So while the pull downs target the lats and the horizontal pulls target the mid back, the traps, the diagonal pulling seems to work them all just about evenly. And so it's a really great exercise to do. It can be done through any rep range. I'm going to show you a couple varieties of it. All right, but I love doing it on the machine where it's a completely fixed motion because it's easiest and it's perfectly ergonomical and really good for targeting. You just have to make sure you're actually doing the fixed motion. Okay, I see some people going like this. You're leaning back away from the pad. Don't do that. Just stay in the movement that you're supposed to. And you'll see how this works the back very evenly. And you want to set the seat down so that when you're sitting in it, there's tension, okay? So I can come up off the seat to set the weight down. When I'm sitting down, I'm getting fully stretched out. And then you want to pull until you get a full contraction. All right, go from full stretch to full contraction. And take it nice and slow. So when you stick to that fixed motion, you can get an amazing contraction. And holding it for a moment, I really feel a great squeeze back there, like I don't really feel with a lot of back exercises. So that's one of the reasons why this is one of my favorite machines.